Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to show you how we decorated our basement playroom for Christmas and give you some kid-friendly DIY and decor ideas for the holidays. So my three daughters love Christmas just as much as I do, and I think it's so fun to create little spaces just for them over the holidays in our home. Today I'm partnering with Canon, who is sponsoring this video, and I'm going to show you some really fun and sweet DIY and decor ideas just for your kids for Christmas. They're so easy to make and fun to do with kids or on your own as well, and we're going to decorate our basement playroom for the holidays, so let's get started. So here's the space that we are decorating today. This is my kids' basement playroom. You might remember we gave it a makeover this summer and I was so excited to decorate it for them for Christmas. So let's start with some DIYs. I have the Canon Creative Park app on my phone, so easy to use, and there's so many awesome ideas on here, guys. It's totally free to download. There's decorations like these beautiful diamond garlands, all sorts of party decorations. Everything's free. You can just easily download it and print it right on your printer. So I went ahead and downloaded this beautiful snowflake craft. I easily hooked my phone right up to my Canon printer. I have the Canon Placemats TS9521C. It's an all-in-one crafting printer and I've used it for over a year now and absolutely love it. So I just simply sent these snowflake files to the printer, printed them off on some of Canon's matte photo crafting paper, and then just went ahead and followed the instructions right on the sheets that were printed out to make some really beautiful 3D snowflakes. So you could do these yourself, or this would also be a really fun craft to do with kids. If you don't like these particular snowflakes, there was lots of other ornaments and crafts that you could do for your Christmas tree as well, right on that free Creative Park app. I love the feeling of paper crafts on trees. We tend to put a lot of glass ornaments or plastic ornaments, so paper is sort of like a missing texture on a Christmas tree. So adding that really handmade, crafty feel of paper ornaments I think is really fun, especially when you're decorating a kid's space like I'm doing here. So in keeping the colors in our basement playroom very colorful and happy, so pinks, greens, blues, reds, you name it, pretty much every color of the rainbow, just to make it fun for the girls. So I had this faux lit birch tree already. I've had it for quite a few years and I put it in this space kind of to use it as a Christmas tree. And then I went ahead and added a whole bunch of ornaments to it, just the round balls. I'm using plastic ornaments in the kids area because they do play here, so I want to make sure that everything is nice and safe for them, and if anything does fall off the tree, it's not a big deal because it's all plastic or paper, so it's really simple for the kids to play around this tree. I'm adding those handmade paper ornaments I made on my printer. And then I'm adding some pink ornaments, some glittery ornaments, and a couple of fun little ornaments we found at the dollar store. So these sparkly donuts and these iridescent ornaments. Next, I went ahead and printed off this really cute Christmas banner using the Creative Park app as well. I'll try to link to all these files down in the description box below. Printed it out on my printer and then went ahead and cut out the pieces. You guys know I love banners of any kind. I've used banners a lot in my decor, especially around Christmas time. Then I went and put this faux evergreen garland on top of the entertainment unit here in the basement, just to add a little bit of green festive touch because the tree in here is just a birch tree. And then I strung some yarn from one side to the other of the entertainment unit, and then used the string here to string that DIY banner that I made with my Placemats printer. I love that printing at home on the Placemats printer is a really inexpensive option. It's great to do when you are on a budget or short on time. You can easily find files to just go ahead and print, and then you have a DIY right there ready to go. The next DIY I did for the girls' room are these personalized placemats. So this was on that free Creative Park app as well. I'm using that a lot today, and I just found the placemat file, and you could actually go ahead and customize these and add names to these. So I added the girls' names, little a, little b, little c, to the middle of the placemat, and I thought that was just a cute touch to add to the coffee table in their playroom. I thought it'd be fun to surprise them with a little Christmassy setup here. So this placemat, and then we're going to add some other little snacks and things and some crafts as well. This is the photo paper that I'm using. It's great for arts and crafts. It's really heavy. So I went and I printed off this little Christmas tree craft as well on this paper, and you can just basically glue these together and fold them, and they create really sweet little Christmas trees. I thought I would put this out on the coffee table for the girls to do when they came home. So on the coffee table, I'm putting the DIY placemats that I printed off with all of their names. And notice how the Pixma printer prints right from edge to edge on the pages. I absolutely love that feature of this printer. And then I'm putting out some cute little Christmas paper plates. I'm also adding some Christmassy paper straws. And all of these things, the straws and the plates, I've had on hand. I buy them in bulk and then I just save them and bring them out during Christmas every year. I put out the Christmas tree craft along with a cute galvanized little storage container for all of the elements they would need to create the crafts. And then I added some more ornaments into that galvanized container. Decorating any space with just basically piles of extra ornaments is a very simple and inexpensive way to decorate for Christmas time. I added some cookies onto a plate in here, and this is how our simple, kid-friendly basement for Christmas turned out. It's really sweet and colorful. There's not a ton to it, but I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I think it still gives the girls lots of room to play. It also incorporates things that they love. I get a lot of opportunity to decorate the way that I want to decorate in the rest of our home, so I wanted this space to really reflect their colorful personalities, all of the things that they enjoy doing, and make it just something that they would enjoy over the Christmas season.
No one's the best.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in those comments below which of these DIY and decor ideas was your favorite and what you would print with your Canon Pixma printer. Make sure to check the link I left for you down in the description box below to learn more about the Pixma Crafters all-in-one printer. I absolutely love mine. There's so many benefits to it. You can check it out down below and see how it could help you over the Christmas season. Also, make sure to download that free Creative Park app. There are so many free printables there that I didn't even touch. For example, like coloring pages for kids, all sorts of Christmas and holiday and party things that you can print really easily at home. So definitely check that out. Thanks again to Canon for sponsoring this video today. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. And I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you guys are gonna love right up here.